Okay, you guys, this is China trying out some crispy crunchy chicken from Michigan, from Ypsilanti. I got my hot sauce.
And me.
I got my Kool-Aid jammer.
And me. Hello, guys.
Let's taste this Kool-Aid jammer.
Hi, guys. What's up? Like and subscribe and hit that like button. That will be a good present, right, Mama?
Yep.
Like and subscribe. Hit that.
Cherry.
Actually, instead of hitting that like button, smash that like button and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell. And if you like this video, yeah, this is me, Elijah.
Guys.
Yeah, and I got my little water. Wait, let me get it. I got my little water. See? And look.
You can't see.
Guys, you know I'm at the video right here. This is my mom, right?
Yeah, come see my mommy.
Alright, guys, yeah, this is we got some water. See?
Taste your shrimp. Let them know how it tastes. The wrong way.
This way?
Yes.
Mmm.
It's crunchy.
Mama, you guys share some chicken with me? Sorry guys, my mouth was on this. Ooh, look at that chicken. Can I have some?
You got your shrimp.
Mama, look what's in my shrimp.
Got my jalapenos.
And I got my...
Let's taste this biscuit.
I don't like biscuits. Oh, no. Like and subscribe. Who let the dogs out?
Honey biscuit is okay.
My shrimp is a little bit spicy.
But that's okay.